Hello, Amazing All-Stars. Today is Wednesday, October 6th. I wonder what we'll find out on our calendar today. All right, we found out with yesterday's calendar, we had 4 leaves that were not in the basket and 1 that was in it. What will we find today? I wonder. Dun, dun, dun. Oh my goodness, we have 2 leaves in the basket now and 3 that are not in the basket. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Yes, I'm thinking about a number tree too. Let's see if we can create a number tree now. We have our number tree that we started. We're going to add that information to our number tree. You know, we have 5 leaves. We have 2 that are in the basket now and 3 that are not in the basket. Can you think of a math story? I challenge you. If you're ready for the challenge, you can write a math story about our number tree, 2, 3, and 5. You could say I have 2 leaves in the basket and 3 that are not in the basket. All together, I have 5 leaves. Wow. Do you think we can write a math equation for that number tree? Let's try it. 2 plus 3 equals that big number of 5. Math equation. Remember our goal. We're trying to get to the point that we can subitize and actually look at that math fact and quickly know the answer. Great job, All-Stars. Let's check out our days in school. We actually looked at our information, and it's time to add on another day. Whoa, we're getting close to another group of 5 here. We have 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 days that we've been together, friends. 24 days. Can you think of math facts that equal the number 24? I'm going to try this one. 10 plus 10 plus 4. I would like you to pause the video and I want you to think of math facts that you can write and create that equal the number 4. 24, forgive me, 24. All right, we're back now. We are back now. We have more things to do with our number corner. You did such a great job with this yesterday that I want to take you on this journey again, where we look at a card and we create that amount in front of us. So here's our first one. First one for the day is the number 6. Can you show 6 on your learning space using those blocks that you have in your math box? I have 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ooh, okay. Can you make a group of 6? Let's try another number. I'm not going to show it on my screen. I want to see if you can do it all by yourself. Here we go. Ooh, the number is 3. I like these cards because they show you with your fingers. They have the number and they even have the number word. So it teaches you how to spell the number 3. That long E sound at the end. 3. Did you do it? Great job. Let's try another. The number is 8. Can you use your blocks to make the number 8? Great job, All-Stars. Great job, All-Stars. Let's do one more. The number is 9. I knew you could do it, All-Stars. I'm so proud of you. I am so proud of you. I have one last thing I'd like you to do with me. I would like you to count by 5s all the way from the number 5 all the way up to the number 35. And I have a number line here to help you if you need it. You can also use your folder. Let's start. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Amazing, All-Stars. I knew you can do it. So proud of you. Keep up the great work. Have a great day.